I'm going to show you how to sign your first agency client in the next 7 days. It's a 5-step process. You don't need experience, you don't need a portfolio, and you definitely don't need a niche. I've watched over 1,600 people go through this exact process. The fastest ones sign a client within the first week. The slowest ones, they're still watching videos about what niche to pick. Here's the problem. You've been watching videos about starting an agency for weeks, maybe months, and you still haven't signed a single client. Not because you're lazy, but because every single video you watch tells you something completely different. One guy says, pick a niche first. The next one says, build a website. Then someone says you need a portfolio and 14 different skills before you can even talk to a client. You're sitting there thinking, I still don't even know what to actually sell someone. So you watch another video and another one, and nothing changes. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you the exact 5-step process, the same one I'd use if I lost everything and had to start over tomorrow. No theory, no, it depends. I'm just gonna tell you to do this, then do this. And so by the end of the week, you'll have a paying client. By the way, everything I'm about to show you is inside the system I've built over the last decade, responsible for helping me start over 3 different 7-figure agencies. I call it Agency OS. When you use the link in the description, you're gonna get the whole thing preloaded into your account. Free 30-day trial, but I'll talk more about that later. For now, Step 1, pick one service. Most people get stuck before they even start because they think they need to figure out their niche, their offer, their positioning, and their pricing, all before they've talked to even a single business owner, but that's completely backwards. I recently watched someone inside of our private community spend 6 months asking, what niche should I pick? Seriously, 6 months, 0 clients, 0 revenue, just a whole lot of planning. Meanwhile, someone else in the same group picked one simple service, an AI receptionist, and signed a client in 5 days. The difference between those 2 people wasn't talent or connections. The difference was that one person started and the other one was still thinking about starting. So forget the niche for now. Just pick a service, one thing you can deliver. And here's the easiest one that I know to start with. An AI receptionist. Some people call it a voice AI agent, pretty much the same thing. Basically, when a business gets a phone call after hours or on weekends or anytime the owner isn't able to pick up the phone, an AI answers it. This AI sounds like a real person, it asks the right questions, it books an appointment directly into the calendar, and it sends a confirmation text. And all of that happens automatically, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without the business owner having to lift a finger. I'll show you what this looks like and what it sounds like in just a minute, but that one service alone is worth anywhere from $300 to $500 a month to pretty much any local business, because every business misses calls, and every missed call is a potential customer who just called their competitor instead. Step 2, make a list of 10. All right, that's step 1, simple. Now, here's where most people think they need to start cold calling strangers or buying lead lists or running Facebook ads in order to get clients. Well, you don't, not even close. Now, I do understand why people freeze at this outreach part. They're picturing and imagining themselves cold calling some random business owner who doesn't know them and doesn't want to talk to them. So that's not what we're doing here. One of my agency clients is an Indian restaurant I go to all the time. I asked the owner one day how he was getting new customers, and he said mostly word of mouth. So I showed him what an AI receptionist could do for his business. Answer every call, book reservations, handle the basic questions so he didn't have to stop what he was doing every time the phone rang, and he signed up that week. There was no pitch deck, no website required, no case study, just a really simple conversation with someone who already knew me. So here's what you do. Write down 10 businesses you already interact with. Barber, your dentist, the restaurant you eat at every week, your gym, your friend's landscaping company, your mom's real estate agent, whoever. Just anyone who runs a local business and would actually take your call or reply to your text. That's your list. 10 names, takes about 5 minutes. Step 3, send one message. Okay, so you now know what you're selling and you know who you're reaching out to. Now, here's where it actually happens. And this is also where most people completely stall out. They don't know what to say, so they say nothing. They draft something, then delete it, and they draft it again, they overthink every single word, and eventually they convince themselves that they need to learn more first before doing any kind of outreach whatsoever. Meanwhile, another week goes by and they're right back to where they started. So let me just give you the exact message, word for word. Ready? Hey! Name, I'm starting a marketing service for local businesses. I've got an AI receptionist that answers calls, books appointments, and follows up with leads automatically 24/7. Would you be open to me showing you how it works? Takes about 5 minutes. Totally free to look at. That's it. No pitch, no pressure. Just a pretty simple question. And it works because it doesn't feel like a sales message. It feels like someone's offering to show them something useful. Out of 10 messages like this, you'll typically get 2 or 3 people who say, sure, show me. Now, I've also got a second version of this message, and this one is for everybody else you know. I'm talking about all the contacts on your phone, your friends and connections on social media, your contacts in your email. all of that. These are people who don't own a business themselves, but probably know someone who does. So to them, you send this exact message. Hey, name, random question. I just started a marketing service where I set up AI receptionists for local businesses. It answers their calls, books appointments, follows up with leads, all that. You wouldn't happen to know just one person who runs a business and might be interested in seeing how it works, would you? This one's powerful because it's a low commitment ask. You're not pitching them, you're just asking if they know someone. And people love making introductions. Makes them feel helpful. You'd be surprised by how many clients come from this kind of warm referral. Send both of these out today. The direct message to your list of 10 and the referral message to anyone else you can think of. Not tomorrow, not after you polish it up a bit, but today. Because you need about 10 at-bats to get 2 or 3 responses, to get 1 or 2 demos. It's just a numbers game. Now, I know what you might be thinking right now. What if nobody responds? So let me tell you what actually happens when someone says no, or doesn't respond, or completely ignores you. Nothing. Literally nothing happens. They say, not right now, or they just don't reply. Your life doesn't change. Your bank account doesn't go down. Nothing changes. You've lost nothing, and you just move on to the next name on the list. This is literally the ultimate no-risk, unlimited reward situation, but in your head, you've built up rejection to this catastrophic event that somehow defines your worth. Well, it doesn't. It's a data point. That person didn't need this right now. That's all it is. Also, if all of this is new to you, don't worry, because all of this, the AI receptionist, the follow-up sequences, the booking system, it's all built inside my system. When you use the link in the descriptions, you don't just get high level, which is the software we use to power all of this. More importantly, you get Agency OS loaded into your account with everything pre-built. Links in the description below this video. Step 4, run the demo. All right, so someone said yes, they want to see it. Well, now what? This is the part that most people overthink the most. You think you need a presentation or a pitch deck or some kind of case study, something that makes you look professional and justifies charging money for this. Seriously though, you don't need any of that. All you need is a working demo. It takes about 2 minutes so you can show them how it actually works. And here's what that demo actually looks like. You get on a call with a business owner, or even better, you do this in person if you can. You say, I'm gonna show you something real quick. Then you call the number. The AI picks up. It greets them, asks them what they need help with, offers appointment times, and books them right into the calendar. The whole thing takes maybe 90 seconds. Now, I won't waste your time going through every possible scenario, but just so you can see this for yourself, let me call one of mine right now for an auto repair shop, just to show you what it sounds like.
Hello, you have reached Precision Auto Repair. How can I help you today?
Yeah, someone ran into my bumper and kind of messed things up, so I was just wondering about getting it fixed.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear about that. Let's get this sorted for you. We can definitely help with bumper repairs as part of our general auto repair services. Would you like me to check our availability to schedule an appointment for you?
Yeah, do you have anything available either this afternoon or, I don't know, maybe first thing tomorrow morning?
Got it. Let me check for availability this afternoon and early tomorrow morning. One moment. Here are the available slots. This afternoon, today, February 23rd at 1:30 p.m., 3 p.m., or 4:30 p.m. Tomorrow morning, February 24th at 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. Do any of these work for you?
Yeah, today around that 1:30 p.m. slot will work perfect.
Great choice. I see we have your email as adam@adamerhart.com. Is that correct?
Yes, it is. So after you show them this demo, here's what happens every single time. The business owner gets this kind of look on their face. You can see the wheels turning in their head. They're thinking about every call that they've ever missed, every voicemail they never returned, every customer who just called the next guy on Google instead. And then they say something like, wait, does this automatically? Every call? That reaction right there, that's the close. You don't really need to sell after that. You just ask one question. Would you like me to set this up for you? That's the whole thing. The demo is the sales pitch. You show the AI working, you let them react, and then you ask the least high pressure sales question of all time. Would you like me to set this up for you? On the other hand, if you skip the demo and you try to explain how this whole thing works with words, it feels like a sales pitch and it creates pressure. But if they hear the AI actually talking to them and qualifying them and offering times and booking the appointment, it feels like a discovery, and demos close. Pitches don't, at least not at this stage. Step 5, close with a simple offer. All right, so they said, yeah, I want that. Now you actually need to close them. And this is typically where people who have watched way too many YouTube videos about value-based pricing and high-ticket retainers completely blow it. They come in with a 47-page scope of work that took them longer to write than anyone's ever gonna spend reading. Your first client does not need to be $2,000 a month. They don't need a 6-month contract. They just need to say yes, and you need to get your first win. So here's what I'd say. $500 a month to month, no contract. I'll set everything up for you this week, and if you don't love it after 30 days, you can cancel anytime. That's the offer. It's simple, no risk for them, easy yes. Now, I can already hear someone thinking, $500? That's not $10,000 a month. And you're right, it's not. But here's the math. $500 a month is $6,000 a year from one client. Sign 4 of those and you're at $2,000 a month recurring. Sign 10 and you're past $5K a month. And once you're actually delivering results and you've got some real confidence from doing the work, you raise your prices. Everyone I know who's built to 10K a month or 20K a month and beyond started with a client who paid them way less than what they thought they were worth. Now, results vary based on your offer, niche, and effort, but the math is simple. And here's the thing about this business that nobody talks about in these videos. You don't have to quit your job to do this. Most people start this as a side hustle and then build at their own pace. You don't need a fancy office, you don't need developers, you don't need a team. You can run the whole thing from your laptop. And because every client pays you every month, the revenue actually stacks and compounds and grows over time. It's not like freelancing where you finish a project and then start again at zero. With this, you sign a client this month, they're still paying you next month and the month after that. So every new client you add is built on top of what you've already built. And that's what makes this work. Simple offer, simple price, no contract, get the yes. You can optimize pricing and packaging and contracts later. Right now, you just need one thing, and that's a client. You don't need a full-blown business plan. You just need to follow the 5 steps I gave you here. Pick a service, make a list of 10, send the message, run the demo, close with a simple offer. You can do all 5 of those in a week, and most people do it even faster. Like I said, everything I just showed you runs on high level, but when you use my link in the descriptions below, you don't start with a blank dashboard. You get Agency OS, which is the AI receptionist setup, the sales scripts, follow-up sequences, booking systems, websites, all of it. All of it pre-built, one click to import, same system running over 1,600 agencies right now, links below. And if you want to see the full system behind a 10K per month agency, not just the first client, but the whole operating system, well, check out the video I've got linked up here next. So tap or click that now and see you in there in just a second.